Now in this video, I'm going to discuss about the poses, how your poses can actually impact your animation. Now when it comes to beginners, generally beginners think that they need to have an arcs, they need to have silhouettes correct while they are animating the poses, but it's beyond that. Now suppose if you see the example here, the character is actually lifting an object. Now the poses of the hands, just see how these poses will impact the weight of the object. Now even if I don't do the animation, people's perception changes on the basis of where your hands are. So suppose if my hands are completely down like this, if I am trying to pick up the object from both the hands, and if both the hands are down the object, it creates a perception into the viewer's mind that the object is heavy. And by just having these poses, I'm not even talking about animating them, by just having the pose down of the box can have a perception that the object is heavy. Now if you have to create a perception before even animating into the poses that the object is lightweight, then you can actually have the pose here. You can actually keep both the hands here, and then the people will think that okay, this is a lightweight object. Again, for lightweight we don't need this much of bend, because it's bending so much it creates again a perception of a heavy object. Now if I have my hands here, then I don't need the bend so much. I can normally have a decent level of bend wherein he just touches the hands to the box. No need to have so much of bend. A decent amount of bend is fine, somewhat near to this. And if there is some okay weight, maybe some moderate weight, not that heavy, then what you can do is you can have your one hand down and one hand here. Now this again can create a little different perception of maybe the object has something which has to be taken care of. That's why we are having the hands in a different way, so that the object can be lifted with care. Remember, when you have the objects to be handled with care, now this is something which you can use in that kind of a situation. So poses are situation based, the performance based. It's not only that it should have correct arcs or the correct silhouettes. This is even more important than that. If you learned something new in this video, follow me for more such videos.